What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller back here with another video. What is missing in the background right now? This is Miata. The Miata is getting sold. It is officially sold. Sign the title over into his name. I will give you guys one last look at it before it goes away. So here it is. One last little walk around of the Miata. I'm really interested to see what he does with it. If he's going to take out the camber, add front camber wheels, actually paint it. I don't know. But I will introduce you guys to the new owner here in just a second. I'm here with Luis, the new proud owner of the Miata. I'm gonna miss this thing, and I'm hoping it's going to a good home here. It's been pretty promising throughout the buying process of this thing. Luis, you just want to tell us real quick, what, if any, future plans do you have for the Miata? I'm sure people would love to know.
100% wheels.
Yeah, dude, these are
Probably gonna fix that hood.
Yep. New hood, wheels, and camber wise, what are you thinking? You think you're gonna match the front if I can get a hold of those arms, or would you just take it out of the rear and go from there?
In the rear, but probably have it
a little bit in the front.
Yeah,
just some adjustable arms or something.
Something.
Hell yeah, man. Well, let's grab this hood and we'll say goodbye to the Miata for good.
Seatbelt kind of works.
The final goodbye of car. Little baby Miata. Please start, please start. No, I'm just kidding, Ooh. Goodbye, Miata. Goodbye. Everybody wave. Everybody wave. Oh, it's gone. I didn't film any of the buying process yesterday when you came to test drive it, but on our test drive, it started sputtering. I was like, dude, what is going on, you know? And it turned out it was out of gas. We literally ran out of gas on the test drive. But that is it for the Miata. Time to talk to you. Well, they're taking it for a ride, come back picking up the Jeep, but it is officially gone, officially Luis's. So, time to talk to you guys a little bit about what I got going on with Advance, work, get Moonstruck. Say hi to Spencer. Spencer shows up. Say what's up. Today, I put in my 2 weeks at Advance Auto, which means I'm gonna be trying full-time YouTube, quote unquote. I'm gonna really get Moonstruck rolling with different products, different ideas, bringing a whole lot more available to you guys on that side of things. I'm talking to a friend of mine who owns a business, and talk to him to see if I can work with him as a possible source of income. As if you need coilovers, turbo parts, arms, if you want it, chances are he has it. So I'm talking to him about that, and then flipping cars and flipping car parts. And I think all of this combined, working my absolute ass off doing what I want to do is doable. So we're going head first, we're diving into all of this, and I hope you guys are excited to come along with me, because this is going to be a crazy next couple months. I put in my 2 weeks for my job to do what I love and try to make it. So if you guys are not subscribed already right now, would absolutely be the time to go subscribe. And if you haven't checked out getmoonstruck.com for the t-shirts and stickers available right now, more stuff coming very, very, very soon. Hats, mugs, shirts, hoodies, whatever you guys want. Leave a comment down below on what you guys would want. So enough rambling. Banners, 2 die cuts, and the t-shirts. And hopefully by next video, I'll have a whole lot more information, a whole lot more of this set up for you guys. We're gonna get some things rolling. So thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Fitz Miller, the Miata Luis, back here with another video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.